Oh my people, are you looking for a soldering machine or an SMD rework station? I can assure you that this Kodak 952B will serve you the purpose. Because this machine I bought it at was it on November 2024, and it has served me quite well. It is very efficient. It doesn't consume that much power, and the good thing about it is that it is very easy to use and very used to operate. One thing you need to do when you buy this machine is you need to make sure that there are some silver screws down there. It's below the machine. When you buy it, you will see some silver screws. Make sure you unscrew those screws, or else the pump will not be released. So when you use the machine, the pump will be stuck on one place and it will eventually eat up and burn. So what you need to do is open those silver screw. Just make sure it's free. And another thing about this machine is that it's very efficient in time, because when you switch it on, like for example, if I switch this SMD hot air gun, you can see the temperature rises quite fast. So you don't need to keep it on always. You can see it rises up significantly. Okay, very few seconds, and you have the temperature set you want, while the customer is there waiting for you. It's quite fast. This machine goes for around $60, depending where you are, or maybe you are able to buy on a wholesale price. You can buy it maybe for $50 or $40. Yeah. So if you are looking for a quality and budget soldering station, I urge you to go for this. It will serve you the purpose. Because I've tried other machines, other companies, and they are frustrated with this one. I'm very confident about it. Okay, have a nice day.